1. What is cryptocurrency? A textbook definition of cryptocurrency is a digital currency in which transactions are verified and records maintained by a decentralized system using cryptography, rather than by a centralized authority. 2. What are the functions of cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is an online payment method. Beyond a payment method, you can also transfer money between two people, and there can't be any third party in this transaction. 3. How are cryptocurrency transactions recorded? Cryptocurrency transactions are recorded on a shared and digital ledger called a blockchain. This is decentralized technology, spread across many computers, that records every transaction. The solid definition of blockchain is a system in which a record of transactions made in Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency are maintained across several computers that are linked in a peer-to-peer network. The most popular and widely heard of cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. As of early January 2021, the total cryptocurrency market is over $1 trillion, and Bitcoin is around $700 billion. Believe it or not, there are over 7,800 cryptocurrencies in existence and growing. 80% of the market value are Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Tether, and Litecoin. 5. Why are there so many cryptocurrencies? Many cryptocurrencies, different functionalities, the underlying blockchain technology is one reason we see so many cryptocurrencies. It provides developers an opportunity to create different cryptocurrencies for different functionalities. 6. Can I be hacked? What if I am hacked?